Most people think AI is going to replace jobs, but what if AI could help you replace your job instead? Right now, millions of people are using AI the wrong way. They're trying to generate random content, chase get-rich-quick schemes, or flood the internet with low-quality junk that nobody wants. The truth is, AI doesn't replace hard work. It multiplies hard work, and if you use it correctly, it can help you build a real business that generates enough income to eventually replace your paycheck. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 Claude AI side hustles that have the potential to become full-time businesses, not fantasy businesses, not overnight success stories, real opportunities that solve real problems and create real value. Let's jump into it. Number 1. Sell physical products. When most people hear sell products, they imagine opening an online store and waiting for strangers to buy one item at a time. That's not where the real money is. The real money comes from selling in bulk. Think about it. Would you rather sell 10 mugs to 10 different people or sell 1,000 mugs to a hotel chain? The second option is obviously more powerful. The problem is finding buyers, contacting them, and convincing them to place orders. That's where Claude becomes incredibly useful. Imagine you're making candles. Claude can help you find hotels, spas, gift shops, and event planners that might need candles in bulk. It can write personalized outreach emails, create product descriptions, help with pricing, and even build website content. Think of yourself as the manufacturer and Claude as the sales department. You focus on making a great product. Claude helps you get it in front of the right people. Start by choosing one product. It could be candles, custom mugs, apparel, furniture, food products, or handmade crafts. Use Claude to identify businesses that could become buyers. Land a few large customers, then expand into direct consumer sales. That's how small side hustles become serious businesses. Number 2. Reselling. This is one of the oldest business models in history. Buy low, sell high. That's it. People have been doing it for thousands of years. The challenge has always been knowing what's valuable. Imagine walking through a thrift store. Most people see a pile of old junk. An experienced reseller sees opportunity. Now Claude can help bridge that gap. You could take a photo of an item and ask Claude questions like, what is this? How much does it sell for? Is it collectible? Where should I sell it? Suddenly you're walking through a thrift store with an AI appraiser in your pocket. A lamp selling for $5 could be worth $50. A vintage jacket could be worth $100. An old collectible toy could be worth even more. Start small. Visit garage sales, flea markets, and thrift stores. Research items using Claude. Buy profitable products. List them online. Reinvest your profits. The beauty of reselling is that you don't need a lot of money to start. Sometimes a single good find can fund your next 10 purchases. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. This might be the most powerful opportunity on the entire list because every other business benefits from attention, and YouTube creates attention. Think of YouTube as building a lighthouse. Most businesses spend their lives chasing customers. A lighthouse doesn't chase anyone. It stands in one place and attracts people naturally. That's what YouTube does. You create helpful videos, people find you, and those people become customers. The best part? You don't need to be famous. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't even need a unique idea. You simply need useful knowledge. Maybe you're a nurse, a mechanic, a teacher, a graphic designer, an accountant, a real estate agent. Whatever knowledge you already have can become content. Claude helps with video ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions, and content planning. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to make next, Claude becomes your creative partner. One video can continue generating views and income for years. That's what makes YouTube different from almost every other platform. Number 4. Get paid to answer questions. There are millions of people online looking for answers right now. Some need legal guidance, some need car advice, some need help with technology, others need health information. If you already know something valuable, you can get paid to answer questions. Think of it like a toll booth. Every question that comes through is another car paying a small fee. One answer isn't much. Hundreds of answers become a business. Claude helps by researching difficult questions and organizing information into clear explanations. You can join expert answer platforms or create your own consulting service. If people constantly ask you for advice about something, chances are that knowledge has value, and value can be monetized. Number 5. Local service business. Sometimes the simplest businesses are the best businesses. Power washing, window cleaning, lawn care, house painting. Gutter cleaning, these aren't glamorous, but they work. Why? Because local demand never disappears. People will always need their homes cleaned, their lawns maintained, their driveways washed. Think of your neighborhood as a marketplace filled with customers who already need help. Claude helps you find them. It can write ads, create flyers, generate sales scripts, build quote templates, optimize local business listings. The startup costs are often surprisingly low. A few pieces of equipment, a few weekends of work, and you can begin generating income immediately. Number 6, build a simple app. Many people assume app development is only for programmers. That used to be true. Today it's different. Claude can help write code, explain technical concepts, and guide beginners through the development process. The key is solving one small problem, not a huge problem, a tiny one. Maybe people need help tracking habits, splitting bills, planning meals, organizing tasks, monitoring spending. A small app that solves a specific problem often performs better than a complicated app that tries to do everything. Think of it like building a small robot. You create it once, then it works for you 24 hours a day. While you're sleeping, the app is still helping users and potentially generating income. Number 7, UGC content creation. UGC stands for user-generated content, and it's one of the fastest growing opportunities online. Brands constantly need content, but they don't always need influencers. What they really need are authentic-looking videos. That's where UGC creators come in. You record yourself using a product, talking about a product, or demonstrating a product, then the company uses that content in their advertisements. No massive audience required, no celebrity status required, no viral following required. Claude helps write hooks, scripts, product angles, and outreach messages. You can film most videos using nothing more than your smartphone. As you build experience, you build a portfolio. As you build a portfolio, you increase your rates, and eventually brands begin contacting you instead. Number 8, coaching. This might be the most rewarding business model on the list because you're helping people solve problems you've already solved. Maybe you lost weight, paid off debt, changed careers, started a successful business, learned a valuable skill. Whatever challenge you've overcome, there are people currently struggling with that exact problem. Imagine hiking a difficult mountain. You finally reached the top. Now imagine someone standing at the bottom asking for directions. You already know the path. You already know where people get stuck. You already know what mistakes to avoid. That's coaching. You're simply guiding others using lessons you've already learned. Claude helps transform your experience into a structured program. It can create lesson plans, worksheets, exercises, and coaching materials. Start with one-on-one coaching. Learn what your clients need. Then expand into group coaching. Eventually, you can create courses and other educational products. And here's the best part. You don't need to be the world's greatest expert. You simply need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. Final thoughts. The biggest mistake people make with AI is expecting it to do everything for them. That's not how this works. Claude won't build the business for you. It won't make the phone calls. It won't deliver the service. It won't create the relationships. But it can help you move faster, learn faster, and operate more efficiently than ever before. The people who win with AI won't be the ones looking for shortcuts. They'll be the ones using AI to create more value than everyone else. So the question isn't whether AI will replace your job. The real question is, which of these 8 opportunities could help you replace it first?